Next is find the smallest number that must be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube. Also find the cube root of the quotient. This is also same like the previous question. Here instead of multiplication we are dividing. So again, whenever you have a number, do the prime factorization first. So here we have an example 3584. Perform the prime factorization of the given number. After completing the prime factorization, we have to write the given number as the product of prime factors. Resolving into prime factors, 3584 is equal to 2 multiplied by 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 7. 2 into 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 7. Now next step we have to form the triplet. So we can form triplets like this. And we can see that 7 is left out without forming a triplet. So this 7 is an extra factor. After forming triplets of equal prime factors, we see that 7 is the extra factor. Hence, 3584 must be divided by 7 to get a perfect cube. So the given number we have to divide by 7. 3584 divided by 7 is equal to 512. Now we can say that 512 is a perfect cube. Hence its cube root will be cube root of 512 is equal to, we can directly find out the answer by taking one number from each triplet. Here we have 3 triplets, 3 groups of triplets. So from each triplet when we take one outside we will get 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 which is equal to 8. Hence we can say that 8 is the cube root of 512 which is the resultant when 3584 divided by 7. Now we have another example 2916. We are going to find out what is the least number that must be divided 2916 to make it a perfect cube. First step, do the prime factorization. After completing the prime factorization, we have to resolve into prime factors. Express the given number as the product of its prime factor. So 2916 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 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 by 3. Now after resolving into prime factors, we have to form triplet. Here 2 is not having a group of triplet. We cannot form a triplet of 2 since 1 2 is missing, and this 3 we can form a triplet. Then again we can form another group of triplet. So here we can see that 2 into 2 4 is the extra factor. So we have to divide this given number by 4. After forming triplets of equal prime factors, we see that 2 into 2, here one more 2 is needed, extra needed to form the triplet. That means this number must be multiplied by 2. But here in this question, it is asked what is the least number that must be divided by. So dividing means cancelling. So this 2 into 2, 4 must be cancelled. So we see that 2 into 2, that is 4, is the extra factor which is divided. Hence 2916 must be divided by 4 to make it a perfect cube. Now 2916 divided by 4 is equal to 729, and this is a perfect cube. 729 is a perfect cube. Now cube root of 729 we can find from this. Here we have only 2 triplets. From each triplet you take one number outside, then we will get 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Hence we can say that cube root of 729 is equal to time.